Hearty welcome to all of you. In this video, we are about to learn how to find a suitable journal for your research paper. Most of us will have prepared some research paper from our research work like PhD or any research-oriented projects, and we are in a dilemma how to publish the papers, where to publish the papers. In this time, we'll think of the reputed publications like Elsevier, Springer, Wiley, IEEE, and many more. Some open access journals also available where we try to publish the papers there. But when you search in Google or any other search engines, we will find a biggest problem. For that reasons, we can go to their respective websites of the reputed publishers shown on the screen. I will show you their websites now for easy and having a clear picture. Very first one, if you enter into the Elsevier, there is an option called Journal Finder here. You can go through different options here. You can type the title here like machine learning in medical field. You can type like this. You can enter an abstract like medical field has been under a good evolution in these years for the purpose of like that. Type some abstract, or you already have some abstract with you, you can do your find journals here. If you want more, you can put the keywords into that one. When you look like this, you will get the journals which match to your things, how much it has been matched here. If it is full, it will be good. For that reasons, you have to do the changes. You can see the journals here available here. You can see its acceptance rate, how much decision, how many days to take the decision, how many days to have the publication, and similarly you can go for with subscription or open access. You can click here, they will come out here. You can go for filtering like this. Like you can reduce this field values and you can search for journals. Like that, there are so many filters provided in the journal finder in Elsevier. Similarly, if you go to Springer, we can type the title here. Similarly, you can type here retinal vessel segmentation as an example using deep learning. I go for biomedicine here. I type like in most of the retinal issues arising today, most of them can be forecasted using deep learning algorithms. If I like this, I type like this and suggest if you put this one, this name is called General Suggester in Springer. The name here available here, General Suggester. You can go here, suggester.springer.com. You can find out the journals as per the terms you have matched out here. You can see here, even here, open access or subscription. You can click here and check for whether it is open access subscription, how many are there available. You can see their acceptance rate, you can see their decision rate, and how many days you will get the decision, first decision. You can see there's journals in this. Similarly, for IEEE publication, you can even find the journals as well as the so-called periodicals also. You can let me take the same example here. I'll take the same example for making it easier. If I click this, get recommendations, you'll get the recommendations here. Over the transactions, what are this? How many types of how many weeks or how much time it will take for acceptance from submission to acceptance to the publication, how much is the impact factor, like that. It will show you a number of things here. You can search for like periodicals only. You can search, you can update the things here, how many are there available. You can go for even only conference also. You can type like this, what are the conferences happening around us. If it is there, it will be shown to here. You can go to those websites and search for their conditions and all those things. Similarly for Relay, I go for the same title here. I'll copy the same title out here. Actually, I have taken very short one. That's why it is showing some problems here. We can have to increase more, like more sentences. You can type here. Now, otherwise, you can go for other compliance tools here. You can search for this one. Which type of journal it is. This is about Relay. There are few more, like for Clarivate, you can search for manuscript. Clarivate means it will show you what are the things you can find out in Web of Science indexing journals or SCI. So similarly for Taylor and Francis, your journal searcher here. This might work or not in better way. You can search for journals here. There are so many websites like that, other than the prescribed one. Even you can go for this one. I'll take this abstract here. It is giving us some more characters are required. You can, if for example, let me take some more abstract available with me. I will take for a while here. Like that, we can search for the journals. I can type it here. You can type some words here. Just like some, let us see if it is problem, or otherwise we will go for some more time. This original matcher will take some time to find out which type of journals are available for us in the market. It will take some time, but you have to be patient and take the journals. This is how we can find the journals which are best suitable for our scope. Hope you have liked this video. Please give your suggestions and comments so that we can improve our content.